Have you ever walked into a room, met someone new, or heard a sentence and suddenly felt like you have lived this moment before? That strange, unsettling feeling has a name. It is called déjà vu. It happens to almost 8 out of 10 people, yet scientists are still trying to fully understand it. And no, it is not a glitch in the matrix. Today, we are diving into the psychology of déjà vu, and by the end, you will never look at this feeling the same way again. Let me take you on a little journey. Picture this: you are sitting at a cozy cafe, sipping coffee, and chatting with a friend. Suddenly, you freeze. Every tiny detail, the sound of the spoon clinking against the cup, the exact words they just said, and the way sunlight hits the table, feels strangely familiar. Yet, you know this is your first time here. That eerie sensation is déjà vu. It is when your brain tricks you into thinking you have experienced this moment before, even though, logically, you have not. So, what is really happening up there in your head? One of the most popular explanations is called the memory mismatch theory. Usually, your brain processes experiences in 2 steps. First, it records the present moment into short-term memory. Then, if the moment is important enough, it gets stored in long-term memory. But sometimes a tiny processing glitch occurs and your brain accidentally files the experience as a memory before you have fully lived it. In that split second, your mind whispers, "Hey, we have done this before," when in reality, you have not. Scientists have gone further by using fMRI brain scans to understand this curious phenomenon. They discovered that 2 areas of the brain light up the most during déjà vu: the hippocampus, which acts as your brain's memory manager, and the temporal lobe, which is responsible for recognizing familiarity. Sometimes these regions misfire together when they should not, blending real-time experiences with old memory signals. That is why déjà vu feels so real, because your brain's memory systems are literally activating, as if replaying a file from the past. But the story does not end. Their neuroscientist, Akira O'Connor, discovered something even more fascinating. Déjà vu might actually be your brain's internal error detection system. Imagine your brain as a personal detective, constantly fact-checking what you experience. When something feels familiar but should not, your brain lights up and says, "Hold on, this does not add up." That sudden burst of recognition is your brain double-checking reality in real time. Interestingly, déjà vu happens less often as we age because this fact-checker slows down over time. So if you experience it often, consider it a sign of an active and healthy brain. So the next time déjà vu hits you, do not freak out. It is not a matrix glitch, and sadly, you are not secretly a time traveler. It is just your brain's incredible way of cross-checking memories and keeping you aware of the world around you. If your brain loves playing these weird tricks, smash that like button, subscribe to Innerverse, and hit the bell icon, because we uncover mind-blowing psychology secrets every single week. Let us keep exploring the mysteries of your mind, one déjà vu at a time.